Hi guys, let's continue our game. We will indicate to the player that some part of this area is a dangerous zone. For that, we have to go to Window, select 2D and then Tile Palette, and we will take this skull and put it here. To do that, if you remember, you have to select the paintbrush, take the skull and put it here, for example. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, for example, we'll select once again the skull. Let's put 2 here, for example. And let's see if you got another trap. This is the last trap, so I'll put something else as this is the end. Hi guys, let's create 2 walls at the 2 extreme position. It will be 2 invisible walls to be sure that when the player reach this point or this one, he will not fall down. So for that we'll create a box collider here and even here. So let's create an empty game object. Let's call that wall 1. Okay, and then we just have to add a box collider to the, here it is. Okay, now we just need to manipulate it. So our wall is here. Let's move it here, down. And we just need to increase the size. For that, we have to change its size here in the Y direction. So we will do that. We'll increase this height like that. And let's do that another time, sorry. Let's create another one to put in the other extreme position. So let's call that not wall 1, but let's call that wall left. And we'll just need to duplicate, so Control D. You've got the second one. This one we call wall right. So let's take it and move it in the other extreme position. Okay, let's say here. So to finish that, we will reorganize the hierarchy windows by creating a new folder where we will put those 2 walls. So we can call this folder, let's say, invisible extreme wall. Let's call that like that, and we'll take those 2 walls and insert inside these folders. So guys, now it's a little bit more visible and organized. So we can even reuse those left and right wall. So we can make them as a prefab. So you just need to take them and insert inside the prefab folder. So here for the left wall and here for the right wall.